What's up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And if you are new here, you should definitely subscribe. I swear every time I do a video like this, it just feels like the first time. Today we are going to be unboxing a brand new Ariana Grande fragrance that just dropped. I guess this fragrance is like a R.E.M 2.0, which if you were unaware, she has a fragrance called R.E.M or R.E.M, depending how you pronounce it. It's up for debate. And I guess she came out with a little remix on R.E.M. I am so excited to unbox this. Without further ado, let's unbox her. I'm so excited. It did come with a free gift as well, so I'm super excited to unbox that for you guys. Here she is. I can't believe this is now, I think, 3 perfumes where we have had Ariana as a blonde on the box, all starting with Cloud. So iconic. I love the cotton candy pink ombre box, and I love how it has the little infinity circles over here, kind of creating a little eclipse, so to speak. And then on the front, it just says R.E.M. Now that we have established how beautiful the packaging is, let's open her up. Every time I open a new Ariana perfume, it literally feels like Christmas. She is gorgeous. How freaking gorgeous is she? I am just so stunned by the packaging. I don't personally own the original R.E.M fragrance right now, just because it was too strong for me, so I never repurchased it. With that being said, I have missed the packaging so much because the R.E.M perfume packaging is definitely #1 in my opinion. Either R.E.M or Cloud are up at the top as far as packaging. I'm just obsessed with the aesthetic of the little outside component that the perfume sits in. Something about that just really is so satisfying to me. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. So now let's see how she smells. Ooh. That is so good off of just the first spray. I will say it is so different from R.E.M. Immediately off the bat, the first thing I smelled was the marshmallow, which is so dreamy and so beautiful. And then it kind of like turns into this like jasmine fruity situation as it lingers in the room. This one, like, I don't even know what to compare this to. It is such a good combination of sweet meets gourmand. This smells so freaking good. We may have unlocked a new favorite. Cloud is still my #1 girl. I wear her all the time. I get compliments when I wear Cloud, but I do also heavily love the Mod Blush and Vanilla duo. I am obsessed with those two. And I also have become so obsessed with Ariana's fragrance Pink Woods, which is from the Love Notes collection, where she has certain fragrances that are exclusive to certain countries. It kind of has like a peppery cashmere smell to it, and it just smells very rich and very mature, very adult, and I just have become obsessed with it. And I love kind of mixing it with Cloud or Mod Vanilla or Mod Blush. Like, I'm just big on mixing fragrances. I am honestly taken aback at how much I really like this fragrance. Going into this, I kind of was thinking it was gonna smell more like R.E.M, but it really is so different. I can't even begin to explain to you how different it is. I feel like this fragrance and packaging is very Glinda coated. Now that we have her unboxed and welcomed into the world, let's get into the notes and pricing. The R.E.M Cherry Eclipse is described as a celebration of the rare and extraordinary, just like an eclipse. Period. Redefine the everyday and eclipse the ordinary with Ariana Grande's addicting new fragrance. Addicting is a word. That is a choice. R.E.M Cherry Eclipse is a mouth-watering blend of black cherry and marshmallow meringue. This fragrance opens with lush notes of sugared honeysuckle petals and black cherry jubilee. At its heart is a dreamy mix of jasmine and whipped marshmallow meringue. The dry down is comforting with notes of glowing amber and warm musks, taking you to the moon and back. That is a stunning description. I am obsessed. I have to say right off the bat, I really do smell the marshmallow, like warm scents. And it does make sense that there is like an amber / musky note in there, because I do definitely smell that as it's sitting kind of on my skin and as I kind of smell it like settling in my room. And this does happen to be an Ulta exclusive. As of now, you can only purchase this one at Ulta. The 1.7 ounce goes for $60, and this one right here, the 3.4 fluid ounce, goes for $70. And for a limited time, if you purchase the perfume, you get a free gift with purchase. So let's get into the free gift. It came with a little makeup cosmetic bag, and there is something in there. I'm pretty sure there is a little rollerball fragrance inside. The R.E.M dual-ended rollerball. I wonder if this is the original R.E.M. Yes, it's the original R.E.M. And then on the other side, it is the Cherry Eclipse. This is so cute, and I'm also so excited because, as I just mentioned, I don't have the original R.E.M, so I'm gonna open this up right now and smell her. The original R.E.M is so gorgeous, and I do really appreciate the scent, but for me, it's just a little bit too much of a powerful lavender, like sweet scent. I also am super happy with the free gift. I cannot wait to put this in my purse and wear this all the time. There you have it. That is the brand new Cherry Eclipse fragrance by Ariana Grande, or R.E.M 2.0 if you will. will. I am so beyond excited to wear this perfume and to spray it every day. It smells so good. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below if you're gonna be snatching the Cherry Eclipse R.E.M 2.0 or if you already have. Let me know what you think. Where does it sit in your ranking of Ariana Grande perfumes? I would love to know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And before I go, this is this week's shout out of the week. Shout out to you, boo. And if you guys want to be a future shout out, just make sure you are following me and staying active on my social medias, and I will be choosing a random comment for the next shout out. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.